So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search for houses with air conditioning here on Zillow. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Zillow application. Once that is done, go to the bottom left, press on the search icon or the magnifying glass where it says search, then go to the top right and press on the filters button. Now when you're on the filter screen, simply just scroll all the way down to the bottom until you come across this option right here. Now where it says other amenities right here, so where it says show basement filters, it says other amenities, press that arrow right there to get a drop down menu. Then the first option right here says must have air conditioning, press on that, and then go to the bottom and press on see results. Now when you're looking for homes, it's only going to be showing you listings with air conditioning within the house. So pretty straightforward, but that is how you guys can search for houses with air conditioning inside of it here on Zillow. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.